Hello and welcome from One Dance UK. I'm going to talk to you today about how we can support your school's Artsmark journey. Who are One Dance UK? One Dance UK are the sector support organisation leading the way to a stronger, more vibrant and more diverse dance sector. We are also the subject association for dance in schools. We believe that access to high quality dance education should be the entitlement of every child. One Dance UK offer a range of children and young people's programmes, delivers inspiring and curriculum appropriate CPD sessions, and offers a host of resources which will help to support Artsmark schools and settings to plan and deliver dance as part of their Artsmark journey. One Dance UK provide resources, programmes and CPD aligned to the 8 Artsmark criteria, which can help you use dance to deliver against the priorities for your school's Artsmark journey. We aim to help you to improve the quality of your dance provision, support you to embed dance across the curriculum, and help you to build a strong and resilient dance culture within your school. At One Dance UK, we have a host of resources for teachers and senior leadership teams aligned to the Artsmark criteria, including lesson plans for Key Stage 1 to 4, the latest news in education, the latest statistics of participation in dance in and out of schools, and advocacy tools to help raise the profile of dance within your school. All schools can get involved with UDance Local, which provides performance platforms and opportunities for your students and youth dance groups to share their amazing work. You can register your youth dance performance as a UDance Local event, get involved with UDance Regional with our partner organisations, or participate in UDance National, our yearly festival which is a huge celebration of inspiring youth dance from across the UK. We offer CPD programmes to support teachers' continued development. Ready Step Teach is our introductory programme for teachers, and Take the Leap is for teachers with a foundation knowledge in dance. We are committed to supporting EDI within the curriculum and sharing and championing relevant resources. Here are some resources that you might find useful when advocating for the importance of dance in education and when delivering dance as part of your school's Artsmark journey. Our Careers Guide, Reasons to Study Dance at Key Stages 4 and 5, Case Studies Document, Teaching Pathways Resources, Key Stage 4 Qualifications, Dance, a Guide for Governing Boards, and How to Write to Your MP. On One Dance UK Dance in Schools webpage, there is access to previous editions of the Dance Education Bulletin, information on Sports Premium and the Council for Subject Associations, Artsmark and much more. Join One Dance UK today to help us advocate for dance, for together we are stronger. Did you know as a One Dance UK teacher member you get access to 150 resources for all ages, including exclusive to Zoo Nation and National Youth Dance Company schemes of work, discounts on events, conferences, publications and CPD. We want every child to benefit from the power of dance and look forward to helping you achieve this in your school.